Hey everybody, welcome to this quick video I'm just literally making now for all the Viral members out there that are asking questions about Rapid Reach AI. Well, this is a new leg to the Viral Vault, so this is its sister product. Basically, we are allowing you to affiliate this product to get this in front of your potential customers and make money on it. And you don't have to do anything other than drive traffic to the link. So we've done the whole thing down. We've made the whole thing so you get 30% commissions all the way through, and for repeating customers as well. Because as people well know with Viral Vault, when somebody clicks on your link and they purchase from your link, their email is locked onto you and your affiliate link. So every time they come back and they purchase again and again and again, you continue to make 30% on whatever product they buy. So if this sounds like it's something that you're interested in and you want to promote as well as Viral Vault, you get 50% through all the way through with Viral Vault. With Rapid Reach AI, you get 30% through because we are doing all the work. Okay, so click on the button down below, come and sign up into the Rapid Reach AI, watch the training I've put together in there, and then go ahead, get your link, and then start pushing your local businesses to the page. This might be something that you might be able to help people out there who are struggling with their local businesses like hairdressers, taxi ranks, estate agents, car wash businesses, your barbers, anybody out there can purchase a video from Rapid Reach AI, and we will deal with the whole entire process. And all you do is just drive people to your link. So go ahead, grab the link by clicking the button down below.